Woo! What up everybody? Back from NZ now. I'm just out on the reef doing some bottom bashing. Bait fishing off the jet ski. I haven't done it before yet, so giving it a crack. But this episode I'm going to take you back to New Zealand, and it's just a bit of a mashup of everything we've done. Oh, brother. What are you? Oh, that's a good sign. That's a good sign. Is he size? But woo, nice trout. Anyway, where was I? This is gonna be next episode. You just got a little teaser then. But yeah, I'm gonna send you back to New Zealand, and we went fishing on the Taupō back home. And I'll just let that footage play. Ryder explains most of it pretty well, so yeah, we'll just roll into it. There's a few other things we've done in there too, but I didn't record a whole lot, but let's let the footage play. Well, let's sort this fella out. Oh, come on! $4.36, eh? It ain't a mouldy fishing trip unless you stop at the bakery first. Stock up. Corbin, you awake? All loaded up?
Yeah.
Had your main bakery feed? Where are we off to now?
Fishing.
Alright, let's go. All the tribes, small tribes in there. All the mussel farms, all the boats plucking away. Oh, that was a good one, damn.
Oh, it's just right here. After that drop. Yeah. Just leave them in the water, bro. It'll be 2 seconds. Wrapped up. Yeah,
Hey? Little snapper. Beauty. How many snapper?
5.
And the mussel farms, eh? And the mussel farms.
Don't know why, because I got mussels.
Haircut.
That's not why.
Home time. 3 hours bagged out. Oh man.
It's time to fill up the fish. We got our wings, our heads there, our wings there, our frames and our meat. We don't waste anything.
The mussels.
Yeah, mussels. We just finished filleting all the fish. We allowed 7 fish each per person, there was a lot of mouths to feed because there's 9 of us, so that equals 63 fish.
Nailed it. Good man. Nothing goes to waste, eh? The only thing that we've got left over is all the guts and the skin. And you're going to have that for dinner.
No, I'm not.
Is that you? Hey? Was that you? Well, that's us for today. It was a good trip, eh? You got a good feed out of it. Anyway, whipped up all the old fish, battered fresh fish, chips, fish and chips, eh? As good as it can get. Anyway, that's us for today, and I finish off one of these bad boys, and then that's us. Hit the hay. See you in the morning. Oh yeah, yeah. Let's go check this one out, eh? Oh, whoosh. Gonna go for a jump in the old natural hot springs whānau. Have a nosy at this one. Caught the fish yesterday, so now we're gonna have a relaxed day. Hey? Anyway, see you in there. Oh, there's our first one. As natural as it can get, eh? It's a bit too hot to jump in these for the moment, I think. Let's have a look down there. Oh yeah, roger. In there, Beck. Done, eh? Hot, eh? We're gonna head back up in New Year's Day tomorrow, so we'll get some stuff ready for tomorrow and see what happens. But if not, this might be the end of the NZ trip, and we'll be back in Aussie land no time. But anyway, let's get this show on the road. Go stock up on a few lolly drinks. Popping money off that one. Damn. Oh well. Hey, we're out at the lake today. Haven't been here in ages. We used to come here all the time when I was a kid. We're out at Kinloch Lake Taupo. But yeah, she's busy. There's a lot of boats out today. This place has grown heaps since I was last here. We used to always come here as kids for school holidays and stay here for like a week or two. There's a lot more people here now than there was back then. A lot more housing too, but it's like a little hidden paradise and it's slowly getting found out, so that probably explains why it's so busy. But anywho, hey, it's sunny as, but it's cold. Water's fresh. Might jump in later, but continuing on from what we were up to yet. The other day we were at those hot pools and now we're at the complete opposite, the cold water. We're gonna be here for the day and then just a chill one really, because then we're gonna pack up all our stuff tomorrow and then fly back to Aussie. So just enjoying these last couple of days with the family really. But if anything, if we squeeze in anything else before that, then we'll take you with us. But if not, this is where we're going to be till probably the end of the episode. So we'll make the most of this and live it up. 2024 now, so see what happens this year. Alright, let's go for a cruise. Oh well, looks like we got one more adventure before we fly back. at the lake yesterday, but we got to pick up all of these. And there's 3 paddocks. Load them up onto the tractor and trailers. In there, 8 Dayton. Anyway, into it. First load, loaded. I'm gonna go stack it up in the old shed, rider? Anywho, might stop recording because it's gonna take a while.